The man who pleaded guilty to murdering a Nassau County Sheriff's deputy, Deputy Joshua Moyers, was back in court today. Patrick McDowell faces the death penalty for the 2021 shooting of Moyers during a traffic stop in Nassau County. Rich Donnelly is on your side. He was in the courtroom today. So, Rich, what happened today in court?
Heather, the biggest issue argued in court today is whether a unanimous jury will be needed to sentence Patrick McDowell to death. McDowell already pleaded guilty to murdering Deputy Joshua Moyers back in 2021. However, at the time he committed the crime and entered his guilty plea, the law stated that a unanimous 12-0 jury was required to sentence someone to death in Florida. That law has since been changed, and now an 8-4 majority by the jury is sufficient to hand down a death penalty in the state of Florida. McDowell's attorney argued that the jury for his client should be required to be unanimous for a death sentence because of when the guilty plea was entered. However, the state argued that the jury should not be required to be unanimous for a death sentence because the penalty and sentence phase of the trial will occur after the new law was passed. The judge said that he is conflicted about this decision and did not make a ruling on that matter today. The defense also filed another motion to limit the amount of uniformed officers allowed to sit inside the courtroom during the trial. The judge said that the court will impose limits on the amount of uniformed officers. However, that was due to total space within the courtroom. Jury selection for the death penalty phase is scheduled for April 3rd. Reporting live in Nassau County, Rich Donnelly, First Coast News, on your side.